Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about rational numbers. So let us know what is rational number first. So any number in P by Q form is known as rational number, where Q is not equal to 0. So let me show some examples of it, like 4 by 5, minus 2 by 3, 6 by minus 7. Okay, these are some examples of rational numbers, where let us suppose take this example 4 by 5. Here I have told you in the form of P by Q. That means 4 denotes P and Q, 5 denotes Q. Now what is equivalent rational number? Suppose we are having two rational numbers, 4 by 5 and 2 by 3. So how we will find that these two rational numbers are same, or you can say are equivalent? So best way to find out is multiply the denominator of first one with the denominator of second one, like 4 into 3, and the same way multiply the denominator of first one to the denominator of numerator of second one. So it will be 5 into 2. So 4 3 is 12, 5 2 is 10. So as you can see, both the numbers are different. So these rational numbers are not equivalent. Next is, suppose we are having a rational number minus 2 by 7. I have been told to write two equivalent rational numbers of it. So how we will do? So first one, we will multiply 2 on both numerator and denominator. So it will be minus 4 by 14. Okay, so this is the first equivalent rational number to minus 2 by 7. Second, how we will find out? Minus 2 by 7. We will multiply 3 to both numerator and denominator. It will be minus 6 by 21. So these two rational numbers are equivalent to minus 2 by 7. The next topic we are going to learn is positive and negative rational number. If I write 5 by 7, it is positive rational number, and if I write minus 5 by 7, it is negative rational number. The next topic that we are learning is to convert a rational number in standard form. So let me take one example to explain this topic. Suppose we have a rational number minus 18 by 45. So to convert this rational number in standard form, we have to cut both numerator and denominator, or you can say divide both numerator and denominator with the same number. So if I divide 18 by 9, it will be minus 2, and if I cut 45 by 9, it will be 5. Now we cannot deduct minus 2 and 5 anymore, so this rational number is in standard form. Now let me explain this topic with the help of some examples. So first, we will represent these rational numbers in the number line. So this point I have taken as 0. So for representing numbers in number line, we have to make them equivalent. So as you can see, in 1, 3 and 4 the denominator are same, okay, but in number 2 the denominator is different. So we have to make the denominators same. So for that I will multiply 2. So it will be minus 6 by 8. Now we will start marking. Now how we will mark? The denominator is 8, and we can see apart from 1 all numbers are negative. So I have taken the left side a little long. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This 8 will be minus 1. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This 8 will be minus 2. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This 8 will be minus 3. Now move to left hand side of the 0, right hand side of the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This 8 will be 1. So I am just showing you, when you will do it, better to use ruler for this purpose. So first we will mark 3 by 8. So this is 0, that means it is 0 by 8. This is 1 by 8, 2 by 8 and this point is 3 by 8. Now move to second one, minus 6 by 8. So this is 1 by 8, minus 2 by 8, minus 3 by 8, minus 4, minus 5 and this one is minus 6 by 8. And just before it is minus 7 by 8. And minus 8 by 8 is minus 1. Now let us find minus 17 by 8. So it is minus 8 by 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, minus 16 and this point is minus 17 by 8. I hope you have learned how to represent rational numbers in the number line. Next, which of these two rational numbers is greater in each of the following pairs? Okay, two types of question I have written, but in both the question you have to fill up with these symbols. Okay, greater than, lesser than and equal to. So let us solve number 1. The question is 5 by minus 9 and 3 by 7. We have to find which one is greater. So as you can see in this rational number, it is given 5 by minus 9. That means this number belongs to negative rational numbers and this one is positive rational number. So obviously the first one is smaller than second one. Let us move to number 2. Minus 9 by 5, minus 9 by minus 5 and 0. So here if we deduct these symbols, then we will get 9 by 5 and 0. So by seeing these rational numbers, we can say that 9 by 5 is greater than 0. Let us move to number 3. The question is minus 7 by 8. We have to fill up this box with these symbols, and 42 by minus 48. So next what we will do, we will multiply the numerator and denominator like this way. So minus 7 into minus 48, okay, and 42 into 8. So if you multiply minus 7 and minus 48, it will be 336. In same way, if you multiply 42 into 8, it will be 336. So as you can see, both the answer are same. That means these rational numbers are equal. Next, minus 4 by 3 and minus 3 by 2. Same we will do as we have done in previous question. Minus 4 into 2 and minus 3 into 3. It will be minus 8 and it will be minus 9. So minus 8 is greater than minus 9. So we can say minus 4 by 3 is greater than minus 3 by 2. In this question we have to arrange the following rational numbers in ascending order. That means smallest to greatest. So the first work that we will do is to make the denominator equal. Okay, so let us write the rational numbers like this way. After that we will find the LCM of 4, 12, 24 and 60. The LCM of these numbers is 48. Now we will multiply each rational numbers such that with the numbers such that we get the denominator 48. So the first one will be minus 36 by 48. The second one will be minus 20 by 48. The third one is minus 18 by 48, and the fourth one we have to multiply the both numerator and denominator with 3, so it will be minus 21 by 48. Now as we have made the denominators equal, so it is easier for us to arrange them in ascending or descending order. So let us arrange it. So the smallest one is minus 36 by 48. After that it is minus 21 by 48. After that minus 20 by 48, and at last minus 18 by 48. Now I will arrange, or I will write the original rational numbers. So it will be minus 3 by 4 is smaller than minus 7 by 16 is smaller than minus 5 by 12 is smaller than minus 9 by 24. Next question is, arrange the following rational numbers in descending order. So let us write this rational number like the previous question. So it will be like this way. The next step is to find the LCM of the denominators, that is 10, 15 5 and 30. So the LCM of these numbers will be 30. So we will make the denominator same. So it will be minus 21 by 30. It will be minus 22 by 30. It will be minus 12 by 30, and the last one will be same. So we have got the rational numbers. Now it is easier for us to arrange them in ascending or descending order. We have to arrange it in descending order. So let us arrange from greater to smaller. So the greater one is minus 12 by 30 is greater than minus 19 by 30 is greater than, if you want you can put symbol also, minus 21 by 30 is greater than minus 22 by 30. Now let us write the original rational numbers, that is 2 by minus 5 is greater than 19 by minus 30 is greater than minus 7 by 10 is greater than minus 11 by 50. Now let us come to this question. Express the following rational number as a decimals. So the first one is minus 3 by 32. So if you want to express this rational number as a decimal, two ways are there. Either divide 3 by of 32 or convert the denominator in the multiple of 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 like that. So to convert 32 in the multiples of zeros, then we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with 3125. 3125. Okay, same way as one simple example, you can say convert this rational number as decimal. What I will do, I want to make the denominator as a multiple of 10, 100, 1000 like that. So I will multiply 2 here to make the denominator 10. So it is easier to convert like this way. So that as decimal we can write the rational number 2 by 5 as 0.4. In the same way, if I want to convert 32 in the multiples of 10, 100 or 1000 like that one, so it will be minus 9375 by 100,000, or we can write as minus 0.09375. Same way, minus 21 by 125. To convert 125, we have to multiply 8 with it. Okay. So when you will convert it, it will be minus 0.168. The next topic that we will learn is additive inverse. Additive inverse of a rational number. What is additive inverse? Suppose I have written 5. what I will add to 5 to make it 0? Simply we will add minus 5. So minus 5 is the additive inverse of 5. Let us take one more example. Let us take one rational number like minus 2 by 3. What I will add to minus 2 by 3 to make it 0? We will add 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is the additive inverse of minus 2 by 3. The next question that we will solve is to add the following rational numbers. So first we will add minus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. So what we will do? First we will find the LCM of the denominators. So the LCM is 20. Or one better way is to multiply the denominator of second one with the first one and the denominator of first one to the second rational number. What it will be? Minus 8 by 20 and 15 by 20. So when you will solve it, it will be 7 by 20. The next question is minus 3 whole 1 by 6 plus 2 whole 3 by 8. So first work is to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So it will be minus 19 by 6 plus 19 by 8. The LCM is 24. LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. So let us write 24 here. 6 4 are 24. So we will write 19 into 4 plus 8 3 are 24. So we will write 19 into 3 here. So 19 4 are 76, that means minus 76 plus 19 3 are 57 by 24. So if you subtract it, it will be minus 19 by 24. Now if we can convert it in standard form, then we can do it. Now since in this question we cannot convert it in standard form, so it will be our answer. Now let us move to number 3. Minus 2 whole 4 by 5 plus 4 whole 3 by 10. Same, the first work is to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So it will be minus 14 by 5 plus 43 by 10. Now find the LCM of 5 and 10. It will be 10. So 5 2s are 10, 14 2s are 28. That means minus 28 and it will be 43. Now 43 minus 28 will be 15 by 10. Now this we can convert in standard form, like 5 3 are 15, 5 2 are 10. So our answer will be 3 by 2 or 1 whole 1 by 2. Next is to subtract 5 by 9 from minus 2 by 3. So we are having form here in between. So how we have to write? Minus 2 by 3 minus 5 by 9. Okay, if we see from here, then we have to swap like this way, equal to, now find the LCM. will be 9. So 3 3s are 9, minus, then we will write 2 into 3 minus 5. So it will be minus 6 minus 5 by 9, or minus 11 by 9, or we can convert it in mixed fraction like this way. 3 whole 1 by 8 minus 1 whole 5 by 6. So what we will do, first work is to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So it will be 25 by 8. Then we will multiply symbols. So minus into minus is plus, and 6 1 is 6 plus 5, 11 by 6. The LCM of 8 and 6 is 24. So we will write 24. 8 3 are 24, so we will multiply 25 with 3, plus 6 4 are 24, so we will multiply 11 with 4. So 25 3 is 75, plus 11 4s are 44 by 24. So 75 plus 44 is 119 by 24. Now if you want, you can convert in mixed fraction. Next is, what rational number should be added to minus 5 by 12 to get minus 7 by 8? So what rational number should be added to minus 5 by 12? What we will add to this one to get minus 7 by 8? Okay, so suppose that the rational number is x. So we can write as x is equal to minus 7 by 8. So it is minus 5 by 12. If we transpose it on the other side of this equal to sign, so the symbol will get changed to plus 5 by 12. Now let us find the LCM of 8 and 12. LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. LCM is 24. 8 3 are 24, so we will multiply 3 with 7, plus 12 2 are 24, we multiply 2 with 5. It will be minus 21, it will be plus 10 by 24. Now minus 21 plus 10 is minus 11 by 24. So this is the rational number that we add to minus 5 by 12 to get minus 7 by 8. Now let us go through these questions. Number 1, we have to multiply minus 2 by 9 into minus 5. So first work is to multiply symbols. Minus into minus is plus. 5 2 are 10 by 9. Since the numerator is greater than the denominator, so we can convert it in mixed fraction. Number 2, minus 105 by 128 into minus 1 whole 29 by 35. The first work that we will do is to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction and multiply symbol. So minus into minus is plus. So we can write 105 by 128 into, if we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, it will be 64 by 35. Now let us multiply, but before multiply, you see whether we can change or we can deduct any numbers. over here. So 35 threes are 105 and 64 twos are 128. So our answer will be 3 by 2. Number 3 is to divide. That means minus 65 by 14 divided by 13 by minus 7. So when you will get divided by symbol, what you have to do, you have to convert it in multiply, and this rational number will get reversed like minus 7 by 13. Now let us deduct it. So first work is to multiply the symbols. Minus minus is plus. It will be 5 by 3. Now next one is number 4. 3 whole 1 by 7 divided by minus 33 by 34. Same, first work is to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. It will be 22 by 7 into, as we have changed the division into multiplication, so this number will get reversed. So we can write 34 by minus 34 by 33. So plus minus minus, there is nothing written here, that means we have to consider it as positive. So it will be 2, 3. So 34 into 2 is 68 by 21. So we have to find the value of this equation. So first work is to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So we can write 21 into 5 is 105 plus 5, that is 110 by 21 divided by 7 5s are 35 by 11 into 12 is 132. Now change the division symbol. 110 by 21 into 132 by 35. When you will solve it, you will get the answer minus 19 whole 37 by 49. This question is, you have to find the reciprocal of this following. So first we have to deduct 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, and 3 fours are 12. So what we have got is minus 4 minus minus plus 2 by 3. So 4 threes are 12. There is nothing below 4, that means we have to write 1. Now find the LCM of 3 and 1, that is 3 only. So 3 fours are 12 minus 12 plus 2 by 3. It will be minus 10 by 3. Okay. Now we have to find the reciprocal of this rational number. So reciprocal means simply you have to reverse it. It will be 3 by minus 10. So I hope these questions is helpful for you. Practice for these questions well. Thank you.